Mr. Sullivan, Mr. Johnson, and Mrs. Bohr have instructed all of the dissections.
I'm Mr. Sullivan. I teach chemistry and biology. The dissection we're currently doing is the perch, and we're doing the frog coming on Monday.
You have the good scissors. There.
We do dissections just during one unit towards the end of the year. It doesn't really fit to do it with a lot of other units, you could say, and actually it's kind of hard to actually say we should do dissections because they don't match state standards super well, but it's something that kids are going to do a lot in college if they go and do a medical pathway, and so we try to make sure we do them in biology.
All sophomores complete at least 2 dissections throughout the year.
So what we'll do is kind of like a 3-part thing. We will first, in the classroom, we'll talk about here's how we do it, and here's the different organs that we have and stuff like that, and why they have certain organs. For example, the frog has a really big liver compared to humans because they have to filter toxins out of their blood, and the way they breathe is through getting oxygen straight through their skin. And so we talk about a few of those things. Then the second thing we do is we go and actually dissect it, and sometimes we'll do some review in the classroom with that, and then we'll take a quiz over the dissection and the organs and the different functions that we have for those.
Dissections are a great way for students to get hands-on experience in the lab.
My favorite dissection to do is probably the frog, just because kids like it the least. So a lot of kids they do the squid, and they always ask to go back to the squid because they, for some reason, think it's easier or less disgusting, I guess. But the frog is the thing that's most like humans that we do, and so that makes it more interesting to talk about why do they have certain body systems, because it's more related to what we are. I do enjoy doing dissections just because it's interesting for you guys to actually have a hands-on experience, because we can stand in the classroom and talk about why this and why that all day, but it's the same for all the classes that I teach for chemistry and biology. When you guys have an opportunity to do something, it's always going to be more memorable for you guys. So if we just talked about the frog and took notes on it and stuff and took a quiz, it would just be in and out. Where you actually doing it, some people remember that, oh yeah, this is disgusting, or that was interesting, and so it's a better experience for students.
Am I not supposed to cut this side?
Do it.